Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you this super bomb wash and go, how I got these super tightly coiled curls, super defined curls with shine and good hold. So I am starting with freshly washed hair. I will share with you guys everything in the description box, what I'm using, just because I noticed I'm kind of like all over the place. So I will leave everything in the description box. But here I'm going to show you the kind of like leave-in slash styler I'm going to be using. But I am going to start out with sectioning my hair, kind of parting it how I want to wear it, and then sectioning it in smaller sections just so that it's easier for me to style, because I always section my hair when I'm styling it. So I'm first taking my kind of like leave-in conditioner slash styler. This is a very thick kind of butter, but it definitely defines my curls beautifully. I used to use this as a one product wash and go when I had longer hair, but since I cut it, I realized I need more hold. So I am using this along with a gel. So you guys know I like to brush my products through my hair just to make sure it's all evenly distributed. But now I'm taking my gel. Now this Cantu gel I wasn't crazy about because I felt like the hold wasn't great, but pairing it with kind of like this thick butter, it works so beautifully and it gives me shine, which I love shiny curls. So here I am actually taking my Denman brush to define my curls. So I'm running that through to make sure my curls are nice and clumped. My curls feel really saturated. And then I scrunch. So kind of the same technique I usually do in my wash and goes, but using these products, I find that it just made my curls so coily and just like beautiful. I love the results. This probably will be in my top go-to products now for wash and goes because I love it. I think it looks so good. But I will say, if you have finer hair, this might be too heavy for you. But if you have thick hair or super curly hair or hair that's kind of hard to get defined, you might really like this wash and go technique. So I am going to just kind of go through my hair, make sure it's so smooth, make sure my curls are really well saturated with product. And another tip, if you find areas of your hair are harder to get defined, I would recommend taking smaller sections in those areas. And then scrunching, and then you guys know I air dry. That's kind of like how I like to do it. But like here in the front is kind of where my hair's thicker, so I take smaller sections. And I know a lot of you tell me, oh, I struggle with having frizzy roots or frizzy crown. You can definitely take smaller sections here. That'll help with the frizz. I will be honest, I wasn't sure if this was going to flake on me, but it dries clear, so it definitely doesn't flake or leave a cast or anything like that. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with product and without product. It'll just make a huge difference. So if you're not applying your products correctly, you can see you will get frizz versus looking how defined my curls are here on the other side. So then I'm gonna do the other side of my hair, following the same technique I used in the other video. So if you guys are still hanging with me, I want to start doing video shout outs, giving you guys shout outs again like I used to do. So if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is take a screenshot of you watching my video, or take a picture of you watching my video, whatever, screenshot of my video, tag me on Instagram at Leximarcellaa. Make sure to tag me. And then just I will pick from there, from the Instagram story tags I receive on my next shout out. Or what you can do is just leave me a comment and leave a pink emoji, any type of pink emoji, and I can give you a shout out in the next video. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So here I'm just kind of finishing up my hair, showing you guys how I am just defining my curls, and you can already see how shiny it looks. I'm so excited. I loved this wash and go. I've done it a few times since I've filmed this. You guys can see how defined my curls look. Then I air dry, and you guys can see what it looks like. It's so freaking gorgeous. I love the way this wash and go turned out. Look how coily and curly my hair is, and shiny. Look at this. This is gorgeous. I think this is one of my best wash and go routines. So this is day one. I normally like to fluff my hair up, make it a little bit bigger. So it will get bigger throughout the week, which I like. But this does have a good amount of hold. So I'll kind of fluff it, stretch out my curls. I will kind of break up the curls so that it's even bigger. It's not super coily. But yeah, you guys, it looks bomb. I love it. And this is all drugstore products too, which is great. So yeah, if you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up for me, and I will check you out in my next video. Bye.